So we actually have a smaller contraction over the course of 2020 and a smaller rebound as a result in 2021. But the big difference in our view from the Bank of England is that we think it might take longer for the economy to get back to the level of GDP which we saw in the final quarter of last year. Moreover, I mean, I think we should also bear in mind this is only a scenario from the Bank of England. It's not an official forecast, if you will. And in that scenario, they see unemployment back around the same level as it was at the end of last year in a relatively short space of time, only over 2 to 3 years. And I mean, I guess I'd question whether that seems reasonable. I think the risks are certainly on the upside to the unemployment rate.
What do you think would need to happen in order to facilitate a recovery in the order of 15% in 2021? Would that require the BOE to, of course, move interest rates negative? We were speaking to the Deputy Governor here on this channel of the BOE yesterday, and he essentially said that negative interest rates are quite possible.
Yeah, I mean, I'm not expecting them to move interest rates any further. I think they've got other tools that they can use. For example, I suspect that quantitative easing is going to be the first tool in the box to bring back out again. I mean, I imagine they've having done 200 billion of extra gilts and corporate bond purchases. What they will do is announce a further 100 billion, just as some of the dissenters on the committee suggested that was necessary. And I think they'll have to do that as soon as the next monthly meeting, the June meeting. So I don't expect they'll have to move rates any lower, or will be able to. The other thing is that the bigger the decline in GDP in the first place, the bigger the rebound is going to be if you assume we get back to some sense of normality. And remember that for an economy which starts off producing 100 and then starts producing 50 the next quarter, that's a 50% drop. But if you go back from 50 up to 100, it's a 100% increase. So I think some of the numbers on the upside, when you see the recovery, might well be distorted, and we should bear those facts in mind.